Hey, we're going to learn how to hide our last name on LinkedIn. If you don't want your last name to be visible, there is a quick fix. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. You are going to click on the top right-hand side under your profile image here, and you are going to select settings and privacy. Once you do that, you're going to go to visibility. And under visibility, you're going to find this option, who can see your last name. So you're going to click on it, and you can select for your last name to be invisible. You can select, and you select the second option to hide your last name on LinkedIn. That's it. The steps are exactly the same on a mobile device. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.